All right, so I think I'm recording. Let's take a look at these three problems, and each of these are asking us to build two new functions, f composed with g and g composed with f. If we take a look here at number 10, what do we have? If we build our new function through composition where g is the input for f, what do we get? G is 3x minus 2. F is the function that always creates a trinomial. The first term is always the input squared. The second term, you subtract the input, and then finally you add 1. So this time the input is 3x minus 2. Remember, exponents do not distribute. We have to take 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 2. That gets us 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. Let's distribute the subtraction through the binomial. So now if we combine like terms, we'll have our new function. We've got like terms. So this is what I'm getting. Hopefully you got the same. So let's find g composed with f. This time f is the input. F is this trinomial. And what g always does, g always creates a subtraction problem. The first term is 3 times the input, and then it's always minus 2. This time the input is x squared minus x plus 1. And if we distribute the 3 and then combine our constant terms, we'll have our answer. So we'll have 3x squared minus 3x plus 3 minus 2 simplifies to plus 1. All right, so I hope that helps. Now, let's see, we're ready to do what? Number 11. We can take f and g, and through composition build a new function. We're using g as the input for f. G is the square root of x plus 1. F always creates a subtraction problem. It takes the input no matter what we give it, square it, and then subtracts 3. And this radical, the square root of x plus 1 squared gives us just x plus 1. So we have our new function that is x minus 2. All right, so let's build a new function, g composed with f. This time f is the input for g. F is this binomial. G always takes the square root, and it always creates an addition problem. And in this first term is always the input. and then it adds 1. So this time we have x squared minus 3. So our new function, g composed with f of x, is the square root of x squared minus 2. And we can't simplify that. So here's our final answers for number 11. Let's take a look at number 12. We can use these two functions to build a new function, f composed with g, where g is the input for f. G is the function 2x minus 1. F always has 3 terms, where the first term is 2, the second term is 3 times the input, and the last term is minus the input squared. So we're given it an input of 2x minus 1. So we have 2 plus 6x minus 3 minus 4x squared minus 4x plus 1. So I have 2 plus 6x minus 3 minus 4x squared plus 4x minus 1. I'm going to write this in standard form in descending order. So I only have one squared term. I have 2 linear terms. And I have 3 constants. So if I've done my algebra correctly, my arithmetic, I get as a final answer negative 4x squared plus 10x minus 2. Now you don't have to put it in standard form. I just like doing that out of habit. The directions did not say to write this new polynomial function in standard form, where the exponents are descending. All right, so let's take a look at, let's do g composed with f. Where this time f is the input for g. And f is am I already? I lost track of which one I was doing here. 2x minus 1, that's over here, that's 12. And then 2 plus 3x, jeez. All right, sorry about that. F is so what does G do to this input? G always creates a subtraction problem. Then 2 times the input minus 1 to where this new function is, well, 4, but minus 1 is 3 plus 6x minus 2x squared. But if we write that in standard form, I don't have to, but I just like to. Negative 2x squared plus 6x plus 3. All right, so I think, I hope that I did 2 parts for each problem, and I hope that I didn't mix and match. Let me know I think I almost made it through all 12 problems without doing that, but I questioned on this last video if I actually did the problems correctly. So please let me know if I didn't, and I can redo or edit the video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.